first half of freak flag. So on let your freak, you're gonna start with your right foot and kind of mosey to your spot and start dancing when you get there. Most of us get there by the second one. So we're gonna step left, right, grapevine to the left, and then never take it down, never take it down. Each time you're kind of taking a little step forward. And after the second down, you're gonna jump with right foot in front. Let me scoot back a little bit. Never take it down, never take it down, out. So if you can remember, right foot comes front and arms come out. So this is your balance. Stay low to the ground and untwist. Raise it way up, high, cross, feet again, and arms down. Let your freak flag. Then we do the pony. Right, left, right, left. It's just shift your weight and just touch. Don't step fully down on that light leg there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fly, fly, fly. Next is our added stuff, little puppet. It's hard to be a puppet. Little puppet boy. And this is different from yesterday. Our arms are gonna come above our head. Little puppet boy. Then let them loose. So from here, right arm, left arm, jump back on the left foot, kick. And then lean towards the right 45, towards Shrek and Donkey. No, no, arm down. Just how you were hatched, and then you're gonna shout, yeah, and jump, yeah. And then the full chorus starts. We start on the right side this time. Freak, flag, wave. Let your freak, flag, fly. Never take it down, never take it down. Jump, raise it way up, high. Cross, let your freak, flag, fly. Ha, 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 high. We've got magic, we've got power. Who are they to say we're all? And we do the what makes us special. So remember, it's rows 1, 2, and 3. So row 1 starts on the right foot with the V step. So you're gonna step 1, 2, 3. Row 2 joins in. Row 3 joins in. And then we complete 1 together. Down, down, strong. Make sure that you look to the front, confident, shoulder, chest up.